gonna be somewhere around this level here. After that, price gonna take this liquidity at the hook point. You with me, bro? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there, bro? Can you hear me? Hello, bro. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Okay. So we are waiting for price to come back to this level and took the liquidity.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
And once price took this liquidity, we are looking for okay. We are looking for price to give us something like a steep correction before we take our trades. Our trade gonna be somewhere around this level here. We're gonna wait for price to give us a risk entry or a reduced risk entry. You see, that's the thing. But you know this hook point, it's a liquidity zone. We all know that. And the new thing is, at this level here, we always had something like another block that price will wait to this zone after taking this liquidity. And once price took this, we know as Falcon, we know that price gonna take this liquidity, but we don't know when it's gonna stop. It can continue stealing. We don't know where, but now we know. We know that once price took this liquidity, it's gonna stop at the
Yes. We don't know when.
exactly. We don't know when, but now we know. We know that price gonna once price took this liquidity, we can take as low time frame entry at these kind of levels. You see, so when we go to the chart, I'm gonna show you something, a very good cake example. I think it was around this level. Yeah, take take this entry. So that's a push correction, false corrections. This zone is a value area, a hook point.
Yeah.
As Falcon, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for price to take this liquidity and give us this push. And after that, we can take this entry as a risk entry on H4. You see how the stop loss is bigger. Or we take an entry at H1 after price give us a push up and this small continuation here, we took this. And our stop loss gonna be at this level. But now that's finished. We can take a trade now without waiting for all this things. Where and when and how. Oh, so this is our push and this is our zone as our hook point. You see? And this zone, this is our other block. You know other blocks, right?
Yes.
Exactly. So
Wow.
this is our other block. Oh, sorry. After price took this liquidity, we know that all is complete. We have the structure is clean, and we have a small middle section. You see, our entry not gonna be
Possession.
exactly. This is a small middle section. It's not so clean, but it's a small one.
It's very impulsive.
Yeah, you see. And now our entry not gonna be here. Our entry gonna be at this level, and our stop loss gonna be down at this level here. And we can take more. We can take something like very small entries. You see that? If it yeah, that can give us very important trades. At one trade you can make uh a 1 to 6, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Bro, this is very, very strong, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's strong, it's strong.
These new things change a lot of things for me. I'm gonna share with you another trade. I'm gonna show you. Let me show you this trend.
I see, I see, I see.
Like, let me show you this trade. You see my screen?
Wow.
No, not this one. I'm gonna show you another one. Check this trade, bro. Check this trade, please. Focus on the entry and the way price took all the things. The first thing is was, you see here. This is a valid area for us as Falcon. Is right? Bro, can you hear me? Yeah. So, and this is another block at this level here. That price is gonna, yeah, that price is gonna tap in. Once price tap to this kind of other blocks, we can take something like a very, very good sniper entries. So check the blocks, check the blocks. You see the blocks? This is our blocks.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Price gonna take this liquidity before he hit.
You shared it in you shared me your
Exactly. Exactly. So that's the high time frame. But on low time frame, how that's gonna work? I'm gonna show you that on low time frame. Once price hit the other block zones, don't be afraid. Don't say that price gonna go and let you. No. Stay focused on something. Stay focused on something, bro. Check how price gonna change the character at this level here. For we have a strip of liquidity. After price took this liquidity, we are waiting for the low that took this liquidity to be broke.
change your character.
Exactly, change of character. And after the change of character, yeah, you can take an entry at the other blocks or and a fair value gaps. For example, this is our fair value gap. It's very, very important. Notice this. And the most important thing is not the change of character of fair value gaps. The most important thing is how price come back to this level. How price created something like a structure, and you can notice we had a very small structure at this level with a very, very beautiful midsection. That's gonna be your sniper entry, bro. You see how the things work, bro. And it's gonna be something like this again and again and again and again. Always the same thing, bro. You get it? Hello. Hello, bro. Okay, okay.